Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. Oh. My heart literally just exploded into a million pieces. What do you... I am currently filming my updated foundation full face routine. So I'm in the same clothes. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna be starting out with is my Anastasia eye primer. I swear by this stuff. I didn't even believe in primer until this. So I just like to take like a little dollop on my brush. And I'm just gonna go ahead and plop that on. And just blend out my finger. And I don't set it. I don't set it, okay? Don't set it. It is so hard having nails and like trying to do this because it doesn't want to get in my inner corner. I'm gonna go in with my BH, Take Me Back to Brazil palette. You guys know how much I use this palette and love this palette. It's so just so good. I'm gonna take this red shade and we're just gonna take a denser fluffy brush. And we're just going to, God, words would help right now. I love this palette because all of these shades blend out so well, like butter. And I don't know if it's the primer or the shadows or a combination, but like this red has never let me down. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the eye primer again, but now I'm gonna cut my crease. So I'm just taking a very small detail brush and a dollop daisy. And then I'm gonna plop this onto my lid. I'm gonna look up. It's gonna show me where I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna kind of wing it and cut it, if that makes sense. And while it is still wet, why did I say it like that? I'm gonna go into the BH, oh my god, this palette's huge, BH Zodiac palette. And I'm going to be taking Virgo. It is like a rosy champagne. I think I'm just gonna plop that onto the lid while it's still wet. I went over with like a tiny bit of the Leo, which was like a pink, but just like a little bit. I'm gonna take my NYX Bear With Me spray. And I'm just going to go in with a second layer of the shadow, but with a wet brush. I can talk. It's just gonna make it like really like foiled. Now I'm gonna be taking my Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Succulent. I have a story about this. So this is like my favorite red lipstick in the entire world. Like nothing compares to this lipstick to me. Nothing. I haven't found anything like it. So I lost it during Christmas time last year and I never found it again, and I've been looking and looking and looking and I cannot find it. I don't know where I put it. I don't know if I dropped it somewhere. I don't know. And I've been so bummed, and so I finally was like, you know what, I'm just gonna buy another one. Like they're $6. Colourpop discontinued it. Discontinued it. And I'm like, why? So I was like tweeting about it, like how upset I was. And then I like wake up one morning and I'm like, oh, I have an Amazon package. I don't remember ordering anything from Amazon lately. Like that's weird. And it had my name on it and I was like, what? And so I open it and it's this. And I'm like, what? Turns out my best friend found it on Amazon and bought it for me. Like, if your best friend doesn't do stuff like that for you, is she even your best friend? I love this woman. I love you, Lauren. You're just... I cried like actual tears. Like I know it's just a lipstick, but the thought was so cute. And she didn't even tell me, she just wanted it to be a surprise. That was my story. We're actually going to be doing liner with this, and I'm gonna take my angled brush and the product. I'm actually gonna go do this off camera, so one sec. I am gonna go and clean that up with some concealer because I got a little carried away. Sorry I had to do the liner off camera. That was a lot trickier than I thought it was gonna be because like this is like a really thin product and it just wasn't working. But moving on to the lower lash line, we're just gonna be taking the same red shade from the BH palette and I'm just going to be applying this under my eye with the same brush. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up with the other eye, apply mascara and lashes off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, now that the lashes are done, I'm gonna be taking my e.l.f. blush kit, and this is in the dark kit. I think I'm gonna take this one. Now the thing about this blush kit is it's so opaque, like a little goes like a very long way. Put that on. And then use whatever highlighter of your choice. I'm gonna be going in with the Becca loose highlighter in Champagne Pop. And I also take my Bear With Me spray again, and I just spray the brush. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Love it. The worst part is this is limited edition, so if I get attached, I can't have it back. I could bathe in this. And I also do the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna put some in my inner corners as well, just to make it really pop. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply that Colourpop Succulent lipstick right on top. All right, and for the last step, I'm gonna be taking this little like heart confetti and just making little heart freckles on me. I don't know how to describe that. No. But it kind of worked. I'm just gonna carve it out with some concealer. So bad. Okay, I'm gonna go figure this out and I'll be back. I did it. I did it. This stuff is so unnecessary, but like, I just wanted to add a little pizzazz. That is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. It means so much to me. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.